All right, so this is my review of this WOCCI watch band, which everyone says is wonderful, and I'm not going to debate that. It may be wonderful, but this particular band is not wonderful because of the way it was delivered to me and the lack of instructions. So this is the band. As you can see, it's one piece. And on this end, see if we can get a good picture of it. That looks pretty straightforward. Okay, that's a pin, and it's a quick release thing. And I did figure out how to use this on my own. It's not like it's that complicated. The problem is, on the other end, what the heck is this? Do you see this? There's a pin there, but it's sticking up perpendicular to the band. And on the end of the band where the pin belongs, there is no pin. And there are no instructions in this package. There is a 2D barcode. When you scan it, you go to a website. I went to the website on my desktop, and I looked for something that explained what this thing is sticking up perpendicularly, and I could not find any explanation of it. So, I mean, it's a $6 band, but no instructions, and I can't get it on my watch and make it work right. Very frustrating. It's wasting my time. So, I got this one instead. Bison strap. It's a $11 band. It went right on my watch. It was effortless. That's the experience I wanted with this product, but it was not effortless. It was problematic. So I'm just warning you guys. Maybe this came out of the factory with something screwed up, but it totally doesn't make sense to me that the pin is sticking perpendicular to the band. It makes no sense.
Hey guys, Broadway Dill here, doing a review of a watch band. Stupid me, I don't recall what the name is, but you will see it when you're watching this video. It's very nice. Very comfortable. It unstraps in the back of the hand there. Sorry I can't do it because of the I'm a quadriplegic and it really affected my hands, but I love the watch band. Very, very comfortable. And I hope this helped. Sorry. Or maybe it's a good review. Maybe it's a bad one. It's up to you. Have a good day there. Bye.